to my channel. I figured I'd do a little unboxing of a nice media kit that I got from Bliss. So let's check it out. So the first item I got is the Bright Idea Vitamin C Peptide Collagen Protecting Brightening Serum. Can't wait to try that. The next item is the Incredipeel Glycolic Acid Peel. Next is the Drench and Quench Cream to Water Hydrator. Sounds like a hydrating moisturizer. And then, oh, this is a Gold Rescue Cleanser. I actually love the Bliss cleansers. And finally, it's their popular, like the holographic eye masks.
A full shopping list is coming up, so keep watching. And here's the full list of all the products we've looked at today. Thanks so much for watching, and be sure to subscribe to my channel.